Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. In this video, we're working in Excel 2013, and I'll show you how to create a chart with a secondary axis. Here's the problem. I've got three data series, but one has values much smaller than the others. To display them properly on the same chart, I need a secondary axis. Excel 2013 handles this a bit differently, so I'll show you two quick methods. Method 1. Using F11. Click anywhere inside your data. Press F11. That creates a default chart on a new sheet. On the Design tab, click Change Chart Type. At the bottom of the list, choose Combo Chart. From here, it's clear how to assign a series to a secondary axis. Just tick the box for the series you want. For example, Bob versus Bill. You can also change that series chart type. A line chart often works well. Method 2. Using recommended charts. Again, click inside your data. Go to the Insert tab and click Recommended Charts. Excel automatically analyzes your data and often suggests a combo chart right away. If you need to adjust it, go to All Charts, Combo and make your changes, just like in Method 1. Click OK, and your combo chart with a secondary axis is ready. That's it. Two simple ways to add a secondary axis in Excel 2013.